Hello YouTube, my name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. In today's video, I will show you how to program a loitering feature in an area in the Protege GX system from ICT. Okay, let me show you how it's programmed. So from the home page, the first step is to go to the users list. All right, because we can define which users will be affected by the loitering feature. For instance, the owner of the company maybe, or the cleaning staff maybe don't need to, be part of this counter, or maybe the security guard because he can stay longer in the room, or any example. In this example, I'm going to enable the function in all the users. So basically, under the options tab, we have a setting here: user loiter expiry count enabled. Okay, so this is required. Otherwise, if this user enters the area, there will be no counter for him. Okay, so I have this enabled in the 3 users here. Okay, second part is to go to the area itself, or if you don't have an area yet, you need to create it. In this example, I'm going to use the office area, and so under the configuration tab, you want to scroll down on the bottom here under the loiter section, and you have the loiter time in minutes. Okay, so I've set it to 2 minutes. The minimum is 1. Obviously most of the time it's longer than that, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on the application. Okay, and then there's a loiter reset area. So basically, this is something that's very useful. So basically, let's say you enter the office, and then the starter counts how many minutes here and there. All right, when the count expires, it's per user, by the way. So when the count expires, the user will then become inside the loiter holding area. So it's like if you're detained, in this area on the site, you can't leave, the area because you're stuck. Someone, from using another. If you have a reader that can exit into the loiter holding area, then you can leave, but it may also be required that the security guard will right-click on the loiter alarm event and then reset the user, and then the user can leave. All right. So this way, maybe there's a phone call happening. Someone is asking the user, okay, why did you stay longer in the room? You went to the bathroom, whatever, and then okay, we solve the problem by resetting the user, and then the user can leave. Okay. What's cool also is the fact that we can maybe have an alarm pop up in the software, so the guard can be alerted of a loiter time that just expired. Okay, so in this example, I've set the time to 2 minutes. The loiter reset area is there. Okay, and then there's one more option to enable. It's under options 1, the last of the general options section, area enabled in loiter mode. So that will basically make this area a loiter area. Okay, so it's simple as that. Basically, if I enter, let's say, an area or the office area, okay, you'll see the event that comes up, after, let's say, 2 minutes. So it shows that the time expired, and I'm now part of the loiter holding area. So if you want to allow the user to leave, you can right-click on the event, and then you reset the loiter area, and then the user can leave this area of the building. Okay, so again, enable the option in the user. There's the timer and to set in the area properties, and under options 1, you set the loiter area option, and then you're ready to test it. Note that for this to work properly, you have to enable hard pass back, in the area, and for this area. So basically, the door that you use to enter and leave this area needs to have hard pass back enabled. If you want to know how to program anti-pass back, please look at our playlist, and there's gonna be a video available out there for you to look at. Okay, so again, this was how to program loiter areas in Protege GX by ICT. As you know, Inaxsys is the Canadian distributor of ICT products. If you're interested in seeing the products, having a demonstration of them, please visit the Inaxsys.com website and contact our sales team, and they will be more than happy to help you. Again, thanks for watching. My name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys.